This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha pelt in 99 nights in the forest using an easy method. First, you need to know that alpha pelts come from special alpha wolves, which have glowing red eyes. A crucial first step is to upgrade your campfire. Aim for at least level 3, but level 4 is even better, as it helps these unique wolves appear in the deeper forest areas. Once your campfire is ready, it's time to locate these elusive alpha wolves. They tend to spawn in the deeper parts of the forest, often lurking near caves and other structures. A smart way to find them is to pick a direction and go straight, then sweep around the perimeter of that area. This increases your chances of encountering them efficiently. When you encounter an alpha wolf, be prepared for a tougher fight than with regular wolves. They are stronger and have a larger hitbox, making them a significant threat. I highly recommend using a long-range weapon, such as a revolver or a rifle, to keep your distance. If you're relying on a spear, be cautious, as kiting these particular enemies can be very difficult. After successfully hunting alpha wolves and collecting their pelts, it's time to reap the rewards. The pelt trader will visit your camp, usually found near the missing children board. You can exchange your alpha pelts for incredibly useful items. Options often include a powerful rifle, a strong flashlight, or a giant sack, which offers 25 inventory slots. These trades are vital for long-term survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.